Hi, this is Mr. V, and in this video we are going to learn how to convert units of area. So area is a 2D shape that we want to measure. And when we do that, we need to measure in two directions. We got to measure in the vertical direction and in the horizontal direction. So we got to apply these conversions twice. So in our unit conversions, we can therefore see that we got to do each of these twice. So we're squaring by that scale factor, which means we're multiplying or dividing twice. We also have this new measure that we use. In area, we sometimes measure in hectares rather than meters or centimeters or millimeters squared. And 1 hectare is simply a square that measures 100 meters by 100 meters. And so we can convert in this given format here. So let's put that into practice. In this first question, we want to convert 0.48 meters squared into centimeters squared. I should change pen color here. There we go. So how do we change from meters squared into centimeters squared? Well, looking over in our diagram, meters squared to centimeters squared, we're going to multiply by 100 squared. So I'm going to write this as 0.48 times 100. And I'm going to do that twice, so times 100 again. Equals, and you can use your calculator here if you need to. I can see that this will be 4800, so 4,800 centimeters squared. Right. In the next example, we want to convert 5 hectares into meters squared. So again, looking over at our conversion chart, hectares into meters squared, we're told to multiply by 10,000. 5 hectares times 10,000 is going to be 50,000 meters squared. And again, we have these in reverse. So convert 328,000 meters squared into hectares. We're now going in reverse. So meters squared to hectares, we're now dividing by this scale factor, which is 10,000. So our answer is 328,000 divided by 10,000. And again, use your calculator should you need to. I'm simply going to move decimal places. So 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So my answer is going to be 32.8 hectares. Lastly, we want to convert meters squared into kilometers squared. And meters squared to kilometers squared is divided by 1,000 twice. So we're going to convert 8,300,000 divide by 1,000. We're going to do that twice. Or you can use the shortcut divided by 1,000,000. It's exactly the same thing. And both of those will give you the answer 8.3 kilometers squared, so 8.3 square kilometers. And there you have it. That's how we can convert between the different metric units of area, including hectares.